Good morning and welcome to Roaming in the Robbo. We are primarily a family travel channel. If you'd watched our previous episode, you know that we've made a tree change. We are now in Mount Barker, part of the beautiful Great Southern of Western Australia. There's some fantastic destinations on our doorstep, but at the moment something different for this episode. This property is a renovator's delight. It's a real fixer-upper. And today's job is fixing up that chicken coop. So this is the first morning without my family. They've basically gone back to Perth to finish out the school year, the last term, so 10 weeks without them. But they are going to come and visit for a weekend in about 3 weeks' time. And I want to surprise them with getting this chicken coop full of chickens. It's a pretty sweet deal because basically the chickens eat absolutely everything, all your scraps, with the exception of I think citrus and onions, and in return they give you eggs. So pretty good deal. And as you can see, this thing is massively overgrown in there. I don't know the last time there was any chooks in here, but I reckon there's probably a few snakies in here. So long pants, boots. I'll have to get the rotary mower and the whippersnipper in here and just tidy it up as best I can. And there's a lot of crap on the roof as well. So that's today's job. Jacqueline really wants the chooks, so that'll be her little treat. I'm going to keep it a secret from them, and hopefully when they get here in 3 weeks time there'll be some chooks running around in there. And I haven't forgotten about Camo, because I'm getting him a little quad bike. Now it's coming later this week, and then when he gets here the quad bike will be here and he can putt around the paddock. The good thing about the bike I'm getting, it's only a little 90cc quad bike, and you can govern it, basically make it just go nice and slow until he finds his feet, so to speak, so he doesn't roll it and become a quadriplegic, because that's why they call them quad bikes, right? Anyway, so morning coffee, listen to the birds, go for a little bit of a wander, and then I'll get stuck into repairing this chicken coop. I'm probably going to have to do some fence work on there as well. There's a few holes in the chicken wire because there's foxes around here too, so we want to try and stop foxes snatching our chooks. That might upset the little girl and me. Right, let's get into it. Well, that's pretty much the inside of it done. What remains, the chooks will scratch that up anyway. They'll turn that to dirt in no time, so time to work out what I'm going to do with the roof and patch the holes, I think. Oh, actually I've got a whippersnip on the outside. Yeah, I'll do the whippersnipping on the outside first, and then I'll go to the roof. Look at this, man. Okay, that's enough chit chat, keep going. Oh boy, well those shadows are starting to get pretty long. This has taken me a hell of a lot longer than I was expecting, but I've managed to reinforce most of the structure because it was quite rickety, but it's relatively stable now. I'm just going around and twitching up all the holes with bits of wire. Just try and reduce the chances of a fox coming and snatching everything. Like there's holes and stuff, you see. And I know that they can burrow underneath. Hopefully they don't. This ground is pretty hard and gravelly and rocky, so if I start noticing signs of foxes digging, I'll probably run some chicken wire across the base of the whole coop, so when they come underneath, there's just chicken wire in front of them. Alternatively, you dig down along the outside and you know, dig the chicken wire into the ground, but I don't fancy digging in this ground, to be honest. Yeah, but I'm relatively happy with the way it's come up. Hell of a lot tidier than it was first thing this morning, that's for sure. Nothing like fresh eggs harvested from the scraps. Right, got to get into it. Just like stitching the holes in your undies. That's it for today. I am done. I'll start my new job tomorrow. I'm gonna have to put some wood along the bottom here. Just to stop the foxies getting in underneath, because that's straight in the coop right under there. So I'll put some sleepers along the bottom there, pin that chicken wire straight to the fence. Then we should be good to go. Alright, I'm done for the day. I'll catch you, I don't know, a couple of days time. Rightio, well, welcome to another morning. Change of plans. I thought I had about 3 weeks before Miranda and the kids came back to get this chicken coop sorted out. They're actually coming next weekend. So today is the last opportunity I have to get this coop sorted with chooks in it before they get here next weekend. Hopefully I can get it done. My old man actually came out here yesterday and he started digging trenches to help fox-proof this thing. He got sick and tired of all the painting that he was doing, so he's already dug some trenches and we've sunk some what do you call it, tin sheeting, and that goes down about 1/2 metre so the fox won't dig in underneath there and snatch our chookies. And we've already done this side. The other side's already been fox-proofed by the previous owner. I've got a little bit of re-stitching to do, and I made a little doorway as well, a little what would you call it, entrance way, so the foxes can't get underneath the door here. So that creates like a nice little welcome mat, I suppose you could say. Right, couple more trenches, bit more tin, and check out the sheep, by the way. They've just been sheared. My neighbour Peter, yeah, they're his sheep, and he just sheared them today, getting them ready for summer. Hard old work, eh, being a shearer. I was watching him do it. Whew, the boy works hard. Anyway, chicken coop. Oh, check this out actually. Before I get stuck into the chook coop, maybe some people will be interested in this. One of the ewes had a couple of twin lambs. They're running away from me at the moment. They're tiny little guys. So I told Pete about that this morning. Well, sorry, he already knew about the lambs, they're his, but I told him that I actually saw a fox in our paddock last weekend, and he goes, oh well, that's good to know, because obviously with the little lambs, that fox will be going after them. All right, oh, they're running away from me. Give me a sec. Well, there she is. There's Mama and her little bubbers. Oh, funny little things. Anyway, this morning's just been a morning of getting sidetracked. I was going to spray some weeds later today in the garden beds, but looks like it's going to rain, so chook coop it is. Rightio, chook coop is pretty much complete. Replaced a couple of the roof panels that were rusting away. It's pretty much been fox proof except for the last little component. A spring to have the door closed by itself, a spring-loaded door, because the only way a fox is getting in here now is if one of the kids leaves the door open. Human error. So we're going to spring-load him. So I'll make some adjustments so it's not so aggressive, but that's the only way a fox is going to get in, is if somebody leaves that door open. Right, all I need to do now is tidy up around the place because there's a huge mess, and then that will be job complete. Managed to get these chooks sorted just in time. Miranda and the kids are going to be here in a few hours. It's going to be late when they get here. So tomorrow morning, they're going to meet the new family members. Alrighty, welcome home, ladies. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Welcome home. So I'm not actually a really big rose person, but this garden is full of them and they're all in bloom at the moment. And considering I haven't seen Miranda or the kids for a couple of weeks, chooks are for Jacqueline, quarter bikes for Cam, I figured I should do something nice for Miranda. What do you think, boys? That should get me some brownie points, hey? They actually smell really good too. Hey, buddy, how are you?
Good.
Hello, how are you?
Oh, my neck.
My little monkey girl.
These are cool.
How are you?
They
You like that?
my neck back.
Oh, you need another cuddle?
Oh.
Love you.
How's the quad bike?
It's fun. Did you guys have a good drive?
Yeah.
Where's your mama?
Just getting out the car. That's weird.
Hello. Good. No?
Jack.
Oh, good. Come on. You like what you see?
Yes, looks good.
Boots.
Very nice. Oh, are they out of our garden?
They are out of our
Wow,
garden.
how pretty is that?
Yeah. See the effort your man goes to make you welcome in your own home?
Oh, they're
Smell
pretty.
this big one.
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
pretty, those ones, eh? Yeah, very nice.
Welcome home.
Ah, thank you.
Two very excited children here, and guys, there is another surprise out here for you.
What?
There's another surprise out here.
More than one?
Yep, let's see if you can notice it.
That door in the middle of nowhere?
Yeah. What else do you notice? Why don't you walk through the paddock and have a look?
That's the thingies.
Go on, keep walking.
Chicken! There's a chicken!
We've got ladies in the backyard.
What do you reckon, Jacqueline?
Chicken! How many are there?
We got six.
6?
6 ladies,
Hi,
yeah.
ladies, how are ya? Good morning.
What do you reckon, Jacqueline? Jacqueline!
Daddy's done a good job,
What do you reckon?
hey? Hey, what do you think of your new home? Yeah, we'll get you a nice box.
So, do you like the chooks, mate?
Yeah,
I'm actually surprised Camo liked the chickens more than I thought you would.
I like chicken.
But let's go see the main event. It's my quad bike! It's mine!
Get off!
Having fun?
Yeah. We got our first egg.
No way!
She's laying another one. Just
Wait, go on, go and grab it. Is that our first egg?
yeah. But I'll be calm. It's okay. It's okay. I'm just gonna grab that. It's still warm.
Give us a look.
It's a nice warm egg.
Oh, no way.